I know that sometimes using two heddles, it can be difficult to work between the two heddles. So I have an Ashford loom here. I'm threading my two reeds and I'm doing a plaid, so I'm not worried about the colors so much. So I'm taking my 4 ends and I'm going to take the one from the hole and 2 that are in the slot, and I'm going to pull them into the slot in front. And notice my hands don't actually have to go in between the reeds. I'm just sticking one finger down there just to move things along, just to guide things along. So I'm just reaching up to grab. You'll notice, I think that my hook is coming upward, so it's moving up towards the top of the reed, so that I can just loop the yarn around that threading hook right here. So it's actually up above the reeds here. Then I can just loop the yarn and pull it through. And then that final one is going to go through the hole. So as I'm working here, I have no fingers having to go between my reeds. And it helps that then the reeds don't get jostled around and they're less likely to fall off. Although I have slip knots tied in front so that if my reed does fall off, I'm protected. You'll notice that I've pulled all my ends up and they're here sitting on top of that back reed, so they were in between here. But when I added that second reed, I pulled them all up and just flipped them back over the back reed so that they're super easy for me to access. So that is how I do my 2 reeds without my reeds falling off and without having to get my fingers in between those reeds, because it is hard to get your hands in there. I have small hands, so it's not too bad, but if I had bigger hands, it would definitely cause some trouble.